They have led their teams over the past 4 seasons in terms of their tackling ability.
On 3rd and 8, Sanchez fires and completes it to Virgil Green. Sanchez throwing deep, and he's got Demaryius Thomas, touchdown! Thomas just ran right by Bryce Callahan.
Shotgun, see Floyd, he tries to bull rush. We call a one dog, so it's man on man. You got the nickel back out there on Demaryius Thomas, who had 105 receptions a year ago. He just misplayed it. He's been known to be a good decision maker and why John Elway and Gary Kubiak. Like, nice throw right there.
Yeah.
Right away. And so when you look at Devontae Bosby, that is a tough, you got to break on it quicker. Just good timing, good throw.
Leonard Floyd, number 94, is in the game. Pressure from the outside by Christian Jones. And that pass is caught along the sideline. Talking about play, line play. Here is Paxton Lynch throwing on 1st down. Blitz coming. Lynch rolls away from it, and good pickup on the play.
Boyer had the issues at the center spot. Obviously, when Cody Whitehair had to go in there, some timing that screwed up on the shotgun snaps with his passing routes. Pretty close fingertip interception.